Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe. Ngizovula ngokuthi congratulations to Solomon we-Kaizer Chiefs. Umfowethu ushadile bafethu. There's nothing better and greater than ukuthi uma uyindoda ube nomuzi wakho, ube nomfazi wakho, ube ney'ngane zakho. At the same noma-ke sowungazenza izinto zakho ngaphandle, but it's very important ukuthi you know where home is and ube nabantu around wena abazokwazi ukugrounda. Ama-superstars amaningi especially thina-ke abantu abamnyama, hhayi ukushada uma sesidumile bafethu, hhayi asishadi thina. Uma ubheka on average or uma sikhuluma nje ngama-soccer players, awungaki ama-soccer player ashadile and akuma-stable relationship. I think njengoba ngithi congratulations to Solomons, I think kuningi esingakufunda ku-coloured community, labantu futhi ama-coloured communities aphumelela. Angisho ama-coloured communities nje in general abafanele nathi, ngisho laba abaphumelela ba-family orientated because baya-understand ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi umuntu abe family orientated, abe ne-family nabantu njengoba bengishilo ukuthi abakwazi kumground. UDotli manje uqeda uku-announce-a online ukuthi umfazi wakhe u-pregnant, ba-expect-ile. UDuprizi beka-propose-a laphana naye uzoshada kungasikudala. So uma ubheka i-coloured community, I think uYoussef Mart naye ngambona ne-ring. Coloured communities like that, when they become successful, baba nento tangible, sustainable. Noma ngishilo ukuthi noma bangazenza ezinye izinto, but guess what? But they know where home is, yabo? So yeah, congratulations to bona. I think the black abantu abafana nathi, abansundu bafethu abafana nathi nabo they can learn from le nto le. Ukuba ney'ntombi eziwu-100, yes kumnandi, but-ke uhanjelwa kuphela imali, kuhamba imali kuphela bafethu. Kodwa uma unomfazi nekhaya nomuzi, you are building something, uyakha than like ukubhidliza noma ngithi ukudibiza. But yeah, they can learn a lot. So congrats, coloured community, we're learning a lot from you guys in terms of nina eniyama-professionals enidumile. Asingimuveni-ke bafethu singahlali serious kakhulu. Baningi abantu abakhomenta ngoMduduzi Shabalala ngendaba yakhe yakuBafana Bafana. I saw a message la yomuntu angeke ngimbize ngegama because of abantu they'll go to that thing and maybe ngeke ngimbize ngegama, if nizombona nizombona. It's one of the most respected people kulokhu njani ku-media yase-South Africa. Uthe uyathanda ukuthi uHugo Broos uyichaze kanjani lento le kaMduduzi Shabalala, uyichaze kahle kakhulu ukuthi wayengamselekthanga, ufuna ukubona amanye ama-player. And then he went on to say kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayinawo ama-player right good. If uMduduzi Shabalala i-best player ku-Kaizer Chiefs is not even making iBafana Bafana squad, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iwile. Usho kanjalo ubhuti la, futhi ubaba kimi. I mean, like, asibeni fair bafethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs, yes, they haven't been doing well for the past few seasons for sure. Lokho singakusho. But-ke right now sijaja nje with fairness, noma kuthiwa ufavor yiphi team, but uMduduzi Shabalala, when you score 2 goals, u-involve kuma-goals ayi-4. uHugo Broos ubekabukela i-Kaizer Chiefs a day before announce i-squad, abukela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi abe nama-excuse ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayidlalanga kahle. So azange abe naleyo excuse leyo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayidlalanga kahle, seza nenye i-excuse ukuthi ufuna ukubona amanye ama-player. And ku-statement sakho noHugo Broos uthe yena bekangafuni ukuselekta ama-player Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns, befuna ukubona amanye ama-player nje kuphela, but kuma-last minutes wa-change. Akasho ukuthi akangeke ayiselekte i-Kaizer Chiefs or ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs, it's okay. Because if khona umuntu odeservayo right now, uMduduzi Shabalala. uThembi Nkosi Lorch naye out of i-disappointment yakhe uphoste ulo uMduduzi Shabalala athi i-star player, uyamrecognize, baya-recognize-ana bona ama-player manje because of bayabona ukuthi kune-personal vendetta against amanye ama-player, or kuthiwa uma udlalela enye i-team nje awuna-chance ukuthi udlalele i-national team. Uyithola i-chance kanzima kabuhlungu, so kanzima bafowethu. So but yeah, it is what it is, man. They will decide what they wanna do with a selection. Ithi singahlali lapho kakhulu. Uvuma uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs i-change impilo yakhe. I mentioned that this couple of days ago, 2 days back, but I didn't mention leyo ukuthi uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-change impilo yakhe. Ukudlalela i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyachaza, he went on and explain ukuthi i-change kanjani impilo yakhe. Bekangacabanga ukuthi angahlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi esingaka. So my question is that uvuma uthe akakholwa ukuthi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Out of sonke isikhathi eside kangaka ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, namanje akakakholwa ukuthi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi namanje sesenama-goosebumps mecabanga nje ngokuthi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi i-country reactor kanjani mekudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs. Lokho kuchaza ukuthi he will never be able to lead i-Kaizer Chiefs because of mentally uzashawa leyo nto leyo ukuthi hawu Nkosi yami ngiku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyovuka nina abone ukuthi ngiku-Kaizer Chiefs. lento le kumele ngabe seyidlule kudala kuye ukuthi okay ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then akwazi ukuphusha ukuthi alo a-compete for izinto nanokuthi abe one of the best goalkeepers in the country. Asiphase kuvuma, ngifuna ukuhlala kakhulu. Yabona mangithi ngifuna ukukhuluma ngobunhle, ngimention uBunhle Molefe, u-fourth goalkeeper choice we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ukhulume ukuthi yena laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs TV uthe ever since waluza ubaba, kusho ukuthi babakho wadlula emhlabeni, ulona u-Dr. Kaizer Motaung, imagine uyi-father figure kuye kudala vele ekhuluma naye embonisa emtshela ukuthi this is not the end of the world, so umshape-ile wamsiza. uBunhle akakatholi ne-chance eyodwa ukuthi avimbe. Okay, angikaze ngimbone, maybe uke wavimba but angikaze ngimbone mina evimba ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-senior team. Ngimazela lapha ku-D_D_C team kuphela, ngiyazi ukuthi bampromotha kusasekhona uItumeleng Khune but namanje akakadlali. I-player obviously-ke uthandwa ubani uKaizer Motaung. Angisho is a good goalkeeper to be fair mangimbukela, just I'm surprised ukuthi kuthatha isikhathi eside ukuthi baloke bami-introduce kancane kancane yabo, because of mawubheka o-goalkeeper be-Kaizer Chiefs, bheka for example uPeterson, there was a time la ubona khona ukuthi akathenjwa. uVuma, there was a time la akathenjwa but-ke still bebadlalisa uVuma that time. So bekune-opportunity especially last season ukuthi umfana athole opportunity ukuthi adlale but abamdlalisanga. Let's get to this. I saw a message la ukuthi yeah, ithi ngiqale la. Inkinga ye-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs ina-everything bafowethu on offer manje ukuthi i-compete. But you know what's the biggest problem about Kaizer Chiefs? Ayina-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Uma ungabuza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala isitayile esinjani, akekho umuntu owaziyo because of izodlalisa uModi player he wants to take players on. Mayebamba ibhola aka-release same time want to take players on. Last few games sibona uVele Bayi-ke engena nge-pace yakhe, uyalicrossa. That's a different player for i-Kaizer Chiefs, different dynamic. Ukuthi o-coach bafuna ukudlala i-system enjani asikakaboni, right? But njengoba ngisho ukuthi banawo ama-player ukuthi badlale bakhompithe bawine, inkinga i-identity yabo as i-team. Badinga abantu aba-understand i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs, abayaziyo ukuthi basebenze behind closed doors. Not necessary ukuthi babe ama-head coach, ngiyicommentile futhi even kuma-comment lento. Not necessary ukuthi babe ama-head coach labantu laba, no. Bafike ku-Kaizer Chiefs bazo-assista kuma-department a-different, like i-link between let's say D_D_C team, ama-youth levels we-Kaizer Chiefs, because khona umfana la we-Kaizer Chiefs wenza kahle kakhulu bafethu laphana kuma-under sibanibani, I think ma-under is it under sengicabanga man, under 14, 15 lapho nje. Ushaya amagoli amaningi umfowethu, ushaye ubani u-Inganathi Saliwa, yes uye if ngikhumbula kahle. Ushaya amagoli ayi-16 nama-assist amaningi kakhulu bafethu, over 30 something, over 30 assist kuma-game nje awu-30 something kuphela. So yilo ithalente ekumele ba-make sure ukuthi bayaligcina, balibhekile. Khona ama-special talent ekumele bazi ukuthi lo uzofika ku-senior team, hhayi ukuthi baluze lese ama-players nje and then abama-big stars kwamanye ama-team but lo muntu lo bebanaye isikhathi eside. So badinga umuntu dala bebanabo Farouk Khan, bebabaningi kakhulu, banamo-sporting directors esi-different, hhayi abo-Kaizer Motaung, like bangasebenzisi abantu bako-Kaizer Chiefs noma abantu baka-Motaung kuphela, but bebanabantu abaningi behind closed doors yabo, kuma-different positions. Those people were calling the shots and helping i-team ukuthi ikwazi uku-evolve, ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina, ibe ile Kaizer Chiefs eyiyo namhlanje. But obviously-ke manje lokho akusekho ish, siyazi ukuthi obani abarana izinto laphana, but yeah, badinga noma kuthiwa bayazirana abo-Kaizer Junior, but-ke badinga abantu in between aba-understand ibhola better than bona, aba-understand i-system ye-team ukuthi kumele isebenze kanjani. Like izinto ezincane kumele bazi-understandise. Ama-foreign coach ngingawaletha, but ama-foreign coach kumele asebenze nabantu ba-locally, because most of the players are local players. If you get intwana yaseSoweto ina-20, uMfundo Vilakazi, o-coach balaphana, o-coach kuphela, bonke baku-technical team e-Kaizer Chiefs aba-overseas or abakwamanye ama-country, I mean abase-Burundi, abase-Morocco, i-Morocco or i-Tunisia, nabo-goalkeeper coach nabanye futhi, even abo-conditioning whatever ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bonke abantu aba-surrounded by lama-players lawa aba-understand, abanayo i-understanding yakamfundo kahle kahle. Bayambona ukuthi uyalazi ibhola but-ke abamtholi kahle, abamuzwa kahle. So they need umuntu ongaba yilinka, i-advise oba-advisayo, whether certain department but one-link between o-coaches ne-management, with how to maneuver around this thing, because of you can't coach without to understand the culture. The same onga eBrazil bathanda ukushaya iy'kili, so wena u-coach waseNgilandi, i-skill uDodo wento for wena. Into ongayi-understand, uyibona kahle ukuthi i-garbage, uyakwata umuntu makashaya i-skill. But if unabantu let's say u-coach eBrazil, unabantu ama-Brazilians ku-technical team, ayakwazi ukukubonisa ukuthi i-culture yala ndoda ile nale nale, kwenziwa kanje nakanje nakanje. Yiyo-ke nje into abayidingayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi bakwazi ngempela ukuphusha for izinto ne-common ground, ba-understand-ane bonke la bantu laba, bakwazi ukusizana bephusha. Khona into engihlekisile engiyibonile, i-Richards Bay izodlala ne-Orlando Pirates, ngizokufaka nje nalokhu nakwamanye ama-team. I-Richards Bay izodlala ne-Orlando Pirates later today. Abaphathi bakhona ne-team bonke bebaye kwaShembe laphana, babathandazela ukuthi bakwazi ukushaya i-Orlando Pirates. Sobona ukuthi leyo nto leyo izobasebenzela ukuthi baye laphana esontweni kwaShembe, babathandazela abafowethu. Bayayifuna i-culling. Fortunately-ke ne-Orlando Pirates ifuna ukulwa serious, ifuna ukuziredeema, they want it by all means necessary, so it's gonna be difficult for i-team le enye ifunayo, which is i-Richards Bay, ukuthi ishaye i-Orlando Pirates. But-ke liyaphenduka abafowethu ibhola. Akuna therefore ukuthi usibani because of udlala kanjani no-90 minutes kumele niyimisele kuphela. Yeah. Yeah, but this one I'll mention it. Yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala bafethu next week Sunday, ngeyi-16 November. Izodlala laphana e-KZN, idlale i-Prince Mangosuthu Legacy Cup. Bekumele idlale last month ngo-October, but-ke bayimuva. I don't remember what happened, but-ke bayimuva. Bekumele badlale laphana nge-FIFA break. But i-Kaizer Chiefs izojoyinwa amaZulu ne-team yaseSwatini, iNsingizi Hotspurs, neNjampela, yes, FC. Yeah, so bona amakhosi laphana adlala bazodlala laphana ku-Prince Mangosuthu Stadium Olundi. I think kuzoba i-opportunity le ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs is-prepare for ama-official games lawa abazowadlala. They need as many games as they can get ukuthi bakwazi vele ukuba sharp, bakwazi ukuba well equipped, bakwazi ukuba prepared mebethola ama-opportunities. And futhi ama-cup competitions anje, noma ngithi ama-game anjena vele angekho officially, asize i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibone abanye abadlali, but seyibabonile already, seyiyabazi. But yeah, it gives an opportunity kwabanye abadlali abafana nabo-Ethan Cheslett ukuthi bathole ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then babonise o-coach ngempela ukuthi siyadeserve ukudlala. Imagine if badlala namaZulu and benza kahle kakhulu against amaZulu, bazobona no-coach ukuthi Ethan Cheslett mhlampe next game izokunika i-opportunity ukuthi udlale. So bona yeah man, it's a tough one. It's a tough one ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of i-competition tight and tough kakhulu. But players have to soldier on and believe ukuthi bangakwazi ukushape nokudlala whenever they're given an opportunity to play. And I think ama-players lawa angadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs, as much as like baningi abantu abafuna ukuthi ama-player adlale, they can learn from ilokhunjana bafethu. To be fair, they can learn from ama-players lawa bewangadlala. I mean, uSolomon akadlalanga first 5 games of the season until Thabiso Munyane walimala bafethu. Uqala ukudlala lapho, but guess what, methole i-opportunity ukuthi adlale, ukwazile ukuyisebenzisa i-opportunity. Babona nabantu ukuthi hayi, uyadeserve ngempela, ubuyile, uvukile umfowethu, ngathi akusiwuye, yabo. Lo Solomon lo siyamazi ukuthi i-pace unayo, i-speed unaso, siyazi ukuthi i-decision making nokumshaya isikhathi esiningi laphana ukuya phambili. But-ke so far this season u-improve kakhulu, to be fair. Let's just be fair bafethu, u-improvile. I think i-competition e-right for uThabiso Munyane, ukuthi okay, uThabiso Munyane angaresta kwamanye ama-game, adlale kwamanye ama-games. But-ke the most important thing ukuthi kune-bit of dynamic in terms of like giving other players an opportunity to play, especially ama-player ayideservayo i-opportunity ukuthi adlale. Khona ama-player adeservayo. Obviously example le engiyishoyo bafethu ukuthi laba abangawatholanga ama-chance, mebawathola kumele bawasebenzise. They have to model their game around abantu abafana nabo-Solomons ukuthi uSolomons bengingamcabangi nokumcabanga uThabiso Munyane imenza kahle, and besazi ukuthi by the way i-second option yaku-Kaizer Chiefs i-second option ye-Kaizer Chiefs bokuwuye uFrosler. Guess what? uFrosler didn't perform ngaleyo ndlela leyo when he was given an opportunity to play, especially i-defense uweak uFrosler, like uweak ngempela. Ugood ibhola makalibambile liphethe, ugood kakhulu nokuya phambili ugood, but defense ula weak khona, kula uSolomons adlale khona kahle kakhulu. uFrosler soon he was dropped after bebona ukuthi uSolomons userious ngempela umisele udlala kahle kakhulu. Yeah, about Chesley Chinga, let's just wait sibone ukuthi bazobanika nini ama-opportunities. Mabawathola-ke ama-opportunity, they have to really give their all. Ngicela ukuyibamba la, wait, njalo mase ngiyibamba I go to pick i-legend kwamanye ama-clips awo, pick i-legend la ku-Kaizer Chiefs sikhulume ngalo kancane, or ngithi umuntu oke wadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. So kule clip lena I went back kancane ngibheke uShaka Zulu, uSiphelele Mthembu bafethu. Angazi ukuthi nikhumbulani kuma-memories kaSiphelele Mthembu nanokuthi uyenzeleni i-Kaizer Chiefs, bokuyi-strike esinjani for nina ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because mina if ngingena kuSiphelele Mthembu ngikhuluma ngaye, I remember elaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekungasiyi-striker esingathi sazi ibhola, to be fair, asibeni fair, akusiyi-striker lesi mawusibheka ungathi ayi ya uyalazi ibhola uSiphelele Mthembu, but-ke yileyo nkani yakhe, leyo force beyinayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or nje kuwo wonke ama-team awadlalelile uShaka Zulu ne-contribution yakhe. When I look at i-record lakhe uShaka Zulu bafethu alikho good elikini yase-South Africa, alikho good, but somehow cause ku-Kaizer Chiefs Kaizer Chiefs he was not a success, to be fair, but-ke asiye ku-record lakhe. U-record lakhe udlala ama-game awu professional setup uSouth Africa, like ngizobala i-Betway Premiership, ngizobala i-MTN 8 Nedbank Cup, Champions League futhi udlalile, sikhumbule ukuthi uye naku-Orlando Pirates phela, but i-record lakhe nje udlala ama-match ku-career yakhe, udlala ku-professional career ku-Betway Premiership, ngingabali o-National First Division, udlala amagame a-272, kore 40 goals, washaya 17 assists, 40 goals as a striker. That's not good. It's not even half yamagame odlalile, or it's not even 30% yamagame owadlalile. That's not a good record, to be fair. Ku-Kaizer Chiefs udlala amagame awu-44, ushaye 2 goals kuphela. Disaster ku-Kaizer Chiefs, like u-Kaizer Chiefs ufeyilile. Yeah, ufeyile kakhulu bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean 40, and ku-team enkulu kangaka udlala 44 games but ushaya 2 goals kuphela ne-assist eyodwa. Ku-Orlando Pirates nakhona it was not a hot property. I-team ake yashisa kuyo kanconywana would be i-Platinum Stars, because ku-Platinum Stars ushaye 13 goals, but-ke kwamanye ama-team i-record lakhe liphinde libe ngconywana, but still now Cape Town City udlala amagame awu-40 bafowethu, ushaya amagoli awu-7 kuphela. Asibambelani okwamanje, but-ke asimgxeke umfowethu. I love his aggression inside the field of play, but in terms of him being a finisher, is a striker ongasithemba, no. Nah. Danko bafethu, ngicela ukuyibamba la, ngingakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure bafethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.